Car number 1, 1977 Chevrolet Nova, $4,995, Gilroy, California. Let's kick things off with this 1977 Chevy Nova. This bright yellow Nova is a real head-turner. With a solid original body and paint that's described as near perfect, it's a gem you don't see every day. The interior is pristine, down to the factory floor mats, and it's ready to roll with recent brake upgrades. If you're after something that runs and drives great with a hint of classic nostalgia, this Nova could be it. Plus, the seller is open to trades, which could make this even more tempting. Car number 2, 1970 Pontiac Catalina, $4,000, Lafayette, Indiana. Next, we have a 1970 Pontiac Catalina, a one-year-only body style that just screams muscle car vibes. It's packing a 400 engine and is reported to run, drive, and stop well. Sure, it's got some wear and tear like the front passenger quarter panel rust and a dent on the driver's door, but nothing that can't be handled. Plus, this factory AC car includes original hubcaps and rims. With a price tag of $4,000, this Catalina is ready to hit the road or become your next restoration project. Car number 3, 1973 Oldsmobile Toronado, $4,500. Up next, check out this rare 1973 Oldsmobile Toronado with a 455 rocket engine under the hood. It's front-wheel drive, making it unique, and it boasts 400 horsepower and 500 pounds of torque. The car is all original with a super straight body and only a small rust spot. Though it might need a bit of carburetor work, it's got loads of potential as a restoration project. A rare find like this for $4,500 is definitely worth considering if you're into vintage muscle with some serious power. Car number 4, 1974 Mercedes-Benz, $3,500, California. Moving on to a bit of European flair, we've got a 1974 Mercedes-Benz Coupe. With just 121,000 miles, it's been a project for the current owner, who finally got it started. However, there are a few fixes needed, like a valve cover oil leak and a minor fuel issue. If you've got the time to finish this project, this car could be worth way more than the $3,500 price tag. And hey, the seller is open to offers, so this could be your chance to snag a classic Mercedes for a great deal. Car number 5, 1965 Ford Thunderbird, $3,999, Roy, Washington. Now, here's something unique, a 1965 Thunderbird with possible Hollywood history. There's talk that this T-Bird might have been connected to Frank Sinatra, with Sinatra stamped on a copy of the original registration. It's got a stunning midnight turquoise paint job, a 390 V8 engine, and features like power windows and a tilt-away steering column. Currently, it's not running and will need some TLC to bring it back to life. But for the classic car enthusiast, this Thunderbird's history alone could make it worth the $3,999 investment. Car number 6, 1969 Chevrolet Impala, $2,900, Friendship, Wisconsin. For our next pick, we've got a Texas-bred 1969 Chevy Impala 4-door hardtop. It's packing a 327 V8 engine, and although the odometer has likely rolled over, the car's in solid shape overall. With some visible body repairs and a bit of rust in the driver's floor, it could use some interior work too. But with a clean title and a price of $2,900, this Impala could be a fantastic starting point for a restoration project. Car number 7, 1966 Lincoln Continental, 4700 Monaga, Minnesota. Here's a 1966 Lincoln Continental that's been sitting for over 20 years. It has a solid body with minimal rust and still turns over, but it'll need to be towed due to no brakes. If you're up for a challenge and have a trailer, this Lincoln could be the one for you. At $4,700, this Continental offers a lot of car for the money, especially if you're looking for a luxury project. Car number 8, 1973 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, Rancho, San Diego, California. Next, we have a red 1973 Cadillac Coupe de Ville with white wall tires and nice upholstery. This car has been the weekend cruiser for its owner until it was parked. The registration needs updating and it could use a little carburetor work, but it's still a classic Caddy with lots of charm. At $2,500, it's a low-cost entry into the world of Cadillac cruising. Car number 9, 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88, $2,800. If you're after an all-original project car, this 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88 might be the one for you. It's got a big 7.0 V8 engine and a clean California title. Currently, it's not running and will need head gaskets replaced, but for $2,800, it's a solid option for someone wanting a classic restoration project with tons of potential. Car number 10, 1974 Jeep CJ5, $1,000. Last but not least, we've got a rugged 1974 Jeep CJ5. This one was running until a timing chain issue popped up. It comes with a hardtop, roll bar, and extra tires. With a price tag of only $1,000, it's a rare chance to pick up a vintage Jeep that just needs a little love to get back on the trails. So there you have it, folks. 10 incredible classic cars, each with its own story and potential. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest finds. See you next time.